Hey, hello everybody. I hope everybody is good. Everybody is doing good. Everybody is well, and it's another weekend. It's a time that we review what has been, what has been done in a week. So I know some of you guys are amateurs, in trading. I know some of you guys are beginners, and some of you might even not understand what is really going on. But you are in here. But as long as you're here, you're going to understand, you know. And this is the free knowledge, the free knowledge uh, that I want to share with you today. And it is the knowledge that I learned from one of the greatest traders in the world, the guy called Michael. The guy is the founder of Inner Cycle Traders, ICT. So I learned from him. He's the guy who who opened my mind in trading. So shout out to him. And today I just want to give you just a simple hack, just a simple trading hack. We have been trading every single day, but sometimes we really don't understand these movements. We just see like, hey, why did I sell? And then the market just, reverse and then comes up. Guys, trading has formulas, just like any other things that people are doing. you know Everything has formulas, so you have to get the right knowledge so that you can understand what are you really looking for. So today I'm going to give you a very simple hack that I don't want to say it is working, or I don't want to say it is not working, but you have to prove it by yourself, by doing a back test, by looking at your charts. Like what I'm going to say, is it true? Is it applicable? Can I use it to make money? And I'm telling you, this simple thing, you can share this with your friends, with the one you love. Share the link, tell them that there's a place that we are learning trade from different perspectives. I just wanna give you guys another eye to a market, and not the normal that we used to study, like the trend lines and stuffs, drawing, I don't know, the patterns, the flags and stuff. There's a lot of things in trading, that people are teaching. But I'm gonna open you up. I'm gonna make you think like, big sharks. We All you have to do, so is to become profitable. You have to know their moves, the big banks moves, the big traders. What are they really doing? You have to know their position. You have to know where did they position themselves. Because if you really know where they position themselves, it will be easy to know what you have to be doing, in a specific market condition. So today, I'm gonna give you a very, very, very simple hack, and I don't want to take much of your time. Just want to share you this, and just feel like sharing you this, and I know it's gonna help you. And I want you guys to use this for the next week, and uh, I would like to hear from you the results. You will get from what I'll be sharing today. And what I'm going to share with you, maybe you knew this before, or you was just seeing things before, but you didn't know how to do it. You know, and I know majority of you guys, some of you don't know anything, but I know some of you knows things like Fibonacci. Fibonacci is one of the greatest tools. It is the greatest tool that a person can use. But if you know how to do it, it is the greatest tool. But if you really don't know, you know you're gonna use it good. So i'm not I'm not gonna talk about Fibonacci today, but this is the naked chart. And first of all, I just want to put separator, period separator. So this shows the days. So this is Friday because we're in 1 hour time frame. So this is Friday, this is Thursday, this is Wednesday, this is Tuesday, this is Monday. So this is the week. This is what has been happening in a week. So one of the things that I used, and I'm still using it to just look for the entries, is, in a week, uh, there is a day, or there is days which are highly probably to form the higher of the week. That is what one thing we have to understand. So which day is that day? Highs or lows of the week is probably are formed on Tuesday or on Wednesday. There is where the market is likely to reverse. So you have to check some other confluences that will give you the go ahead, like, okay, this is already reversal, because 99% of traders, they don't know how to spot the reversals, and that is the real problem. People, they just put their order when they see the market is going up, you know and they just get in, and most of them, they end up being disappointed by the market. But you have to know, where the market is going to reverse and why. So all these things you can get from Print Your Cash. So today I'm going to share with you a very simple hack, a very simple, and I hope everybody's going to learn it and everybody's going to enjoy and use it. If you're really serious, you can use it to make some profit. So um I don't like to use the period separator. I like to use this indicator. These indicators that we have, they are ICT indicators, and they are not indicators that, if you see something in the indicator, you have to buy, you have to sell. No, they are just indicators that help us, making some analysis. For example, um, maybe I know people. I know when you get into the market, maybe you start to check. Maybe the market is making higher, 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 low, higher, 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 low, higher, 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 low. So instead of drawing lines and stuff, there is a encoded indicator that you can apply to here, and it shows you the high highs where the market turned down. Things like that. So even in period separator, we have this indicator which separates the market into days. So it is just the same thing, and let me check them here. The indicator is called the days of the week. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we see this is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It is the same thing. If we put it is the same thing if we put a show period separator. It just lies in the same in the same area. So I don't like to I really like to use the plain chart and put some stuff. So let's use this one. So we have Friday here. This was yesterday, and this is Thursday. This is Wednesday. This is Tuesday, and this is Monday. So this is the whole week. So the trading hack that I want to share with you today is that market is making a reversal around Tuesday and Wednesday. I really don't trade on Monday, because most Mondays they bring up a fake movement. If you can scalp on Monday, it's okay, because that is another model. You can be a scalper, but I'm not a scalper. I am a short-term trader. I hold trade for 2, 3, or 4 days. So I really don't like to trade on Monday. Monday is and a lot of retail traders are being locked up on this scenario, because, for example, in Monday, people see the market are moving down, and they will just wait for the retracement, and they get the sell trade and hoping that the market will just go down to the week. But one thing you have to understand, first of all, before anything, before anything, before you put the sell or buy, you have to really understand, where is the momentum. Is the momentum upward, or is the momentum downward? And you can really know that by by checking the higher time frame. For example, you can check the higher time frame, like 4 hours. It's showing you that the momentum is moving up. You can check the daily time frame, still gives you the upward momentum. You can also check the week. the weekly time frame, it gives you the upward momentum. Also, you can check the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, it gives you the downward momentum. So when we are checking the general market flow, market is flowing into the uptrend, and um, ICT has made these things very simple. We have this indicator that shows you, everything you need to know. You want to know the market flow. So this is called the Manta market flow. Okay, let me apply it here, and you can see what I was really talking about. Apply this and Manta market flow table. Okay. Whoa, now we see the market flow. The general market flow here is long. So we have the things in Printer Cash. So in 1 hour time frame, and this is only applicable in higher time frame, from one time frame to monthly. In 1 hour time frame, you see the market, the momentum is upward. In 4 hour, it is upward. In 1 day, it is upward. Weekly, it is upward. Only in monthly, it is downward. So the general market flow is upward, because we got 4 upward and 1 downward. This is just, yeah. So, and here is the market flow in a specific time frame. 1 hour time frame, it is long. You understand? So here is, we now know the momentum, where the market is moving to. So the second thing we have to do is, okay, let me put back the period separated the period separator indicator, this one, day of the week. Okay, so now we are in 1 hour time frame. So this is Friday, as we talked. This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. And the hack that I want to give you is that when you really observe any market, you will see that the market is turning into different direction when it comes to Tuesday or Wednesday. And there is a reason for this. There is a big reason, which I will say the reason, in premium. But you can try to spot the market and try to spot entries on Tuesday and Wednesday. Don't trade on Monday. You can trade on Monday if you are a scalper, but if you are a short-term trader, just get your trade on Tuesday. And I will show you what I really mean. Okay, this is the last week from Monday. You will see Monday, the market went into really different direction, and where the low of the week has been formed, it is this day. And why are we looking for the lows? Because we are looking for the lows of the week, so that we can know, because the market is in uptrend, so we are looking the market to form a lower, so that we can get an entry from that low point to the highest point in the week. So we are looking, because the market is in uptrend, so we are looking for the lows, so that we can buy on lows. We buy on lows, we sell on highs, guys. Don't ever uh, sell in lows, or buy in highs. That is the great mistake. So we're waiting for the low, and we know the low of the week is really formed around Tuesday and Wednesday, and we can see between Tuesday and Thursday. Here is Wednesday. So around this area, we can see the reversal. As we can see, the market came here, it rallies up and came back to retrace, and this was the optimal trade entry, and it came back to take up some stops, because when these big sharks were putting up the trades, they put a trade in form of stops. I'm gonna explain this in the other day, like how do big traders take profit, how do they put some orders, and how are they really trading, and what we should see, and what should we relate to our trading, because they have a lot of money. So they are really trading in a very special style. When you see the market is moving down, when you see the sell, the market is moving down, they are buying. And when you see the market is moving up, they are selling. So I know some of you are a bit confused, like how and stuff, but I'm gonna share with you some days. But we can spot an entry between Tuesday and Thursday, and this is what I wanted to share with you. We can even move to the other weeks, for example. Okay, let's move. Let's move. Let's move to the other week. Okay, this is the last week. This was the last week, and here is the other week. We can see in Mondays. We see Monday market open, goes back down, and what happened on Tuesday? From a lower, and then goes up. So it is very simple, guys. Very simple. Trading is very simple. Okay, let's check the other week. Okay, what happened? Okay, this week in Monday, market came down, went up. So if you enter on Monday, you will see you're gonna be confused. You enter, for example, here, and then comes here, But if you wait on Tuesday, you will see the market. Okay, the market came back down and went back up and came back again down. So we are spotting an entry. We can spot entries on Tuesday. It is not all the time that the low of week is formed between Tuesday and Wednesday, but most of the time we find the low of the week or the high of the week on these days, and this is the the day that you can get a really nice entries and probably sniper if you really know how to spot them. Okay, let's go back and check some other weeks. You see, Friday, Monday. So the Monday market went to and make a fake movement, guys. So that's why I don't trade on Monday. And what happened? It came down to Tuesday, and it came to the to clear out the liquidity which we are formed on Monday, and then it goes up. So for a person looking for an entry, Tuesday was the best to go up. But you really need to know the high time frame perspective. You have to really know the direction, and this will help you a lot, in your trading. It is very simple hack that I used in my early days, in trading, and it made me some little cash. You see, the Monday movement are always freaky. The market went down and then went up. But what happened on Tuesday? It came back. And when you try to, when you really know how to use Fibonacci, you really understand that the market came to an optimal trade entry so that it can move up. You understand? So here we can get if you are a short term trader, for example, maybe you are swing a weekly, maybe 50 to 100 pips per pair. It's really enough, and we can even see how much pips can we get. For example, if you get into if you enter in this position, you'll find that at just to this position, it is almost 180 pips. It's a lot, guys. For a week, it's a lot. Market can give you everything, can give you a lot of money, but you just take a portion. It's just a little bit, because it can give you trillions. So if you are greedy, then that's you will make profit and make a big loss. You have to control yourself in trading. Okay, we keep on previewing the weeks. We see, okay, Monday was good. Monday the market went up. Okay, Monday the market went up, but it went down on Tuesday. It went down on Tuesday, and then we can spot the entry here. And then if you enter here, the market went up and then came back to the same position on Wednesday, and then the market just went up. So sometimes you'll be losing it. It's part of it. Sometimes maybe you're going to spot an entry, then you know, because the days they are not the same. Okay, I keep on previewing, what is happening in the days of the week. You see, okay, see this, Monday the market went up, so everybody knows, okay, this is the buy day. But what happened? The market came back. It went up. It came back on Tuesday, for example. Okay, let's say. No, this is Wednesday. Okay, the market went up on Monday, and then let's say you buy on this day. Maybe you buy and then it went up, it went down, and let's assume you lost in this week because the market was really messy. Let's assume you lost it, but if you are really trader, if you really started, trade, you'll be knowing, okay, what is really happening in here, and you will know how what you should really be doing. But let's assume you lost this week. Let's go. Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this is the week. See the Monday movements, and then Tuesday came, you know, you can get an entry. Maybe it was a sell day, because when you are looking at the market, you have to really start with the higher time frame, guys, because higher time frame gives you gives you what are you really gonna be looking for. I'm gonna give you a little example. For example, the market is in this condition, and you already see that the market moves from this point. It moves higher and it went down. This is the movement of the market. Market should move highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows. That is how market is moving. So you have already seen the market moving and just take out these highs. So what are we really expecting? Maybe we are expecting market to move down for a retracement. So in a particular week, we are going to look for sell opportunities. So it depends on what higher time frame is guiding you. What are you really seeing in higher time frame? It can be the upward momentum, but in a certain week you see that, okay, this week it will be a pullback or whatever, and there is a lot of knowledge you need to have so that you can spot these things. But this is just a simple hack that I wanted to share with you, and it doesn't apply only to GBP, JPY. No, you can check even in, okay, this is Euro, USD. Okay, let's check. This is 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me delete some stuff so that I can get the clean chart. Okay, period separator. Just want to put this out. Okay, I'm applying the ICT day of the week here. Okay, this is Friday, and this is Thursday. This is Thursday. This is Friday, and what happened? On Monday? Market went up, and then it comes down. So what are we looking for? Because when we check in higher time frame, what do we see in higher time frame? Oh, we see the momentum, and we saw the market is in upward in upward movement. So what are we really looking for? Okay, when the market is moving in uptrend, we are looking for the buy opportunities. So here is the day. The market moved this way because of news yesterday, news Friday, the NFP, you know, it was supposed to be up, but the Friday news made this movement. And what am I hoping? What am I seeing? I'm seeing the market, you know, moves upward. In the next week, the market will move upward to around 123, 1.23, 200. This is what I'm expecting for the next week for the Euro USD, because the market is in uptrend, so it has moved really down, taking out the stop, so the market is gonna reverse and continue with the upward movement. So let's check Monday, Tuesday, okay, in between Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We can see the market on Monday. Monday you can get a clear picture. You see the market goes up, then comes down. On Tuesday, you can get a buy, because the market is in uptrend. You look for buys, then look for buys. Then you just hold for days. If you take your 100 pips, no, 100 pips are really, really enough. They're really enough. Don't be greedy, you know. Don't be greedy. Try to get a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. It's almost 90 something pips. It's a lot of pips per week, for one pair. And if you get your positions, you become profitable if try to spot it. The last week, okay, we are in uptrend. Looking for what? We are looking for buy opportunities. Okay, the Monday market went up, but it came down in around Tuesday. We can get an entry right here, and goes with the market. So um, to make a good summary is that, okay, we can see, okay, Monday market opened up to this point. It goes up into Tuesday. What are we expecting in Tuesday? A reversal, because the market came to the origin position. So what the market came to do? It came to take out the stops. So we put the sell entry here, and then we ride with the market. You know, that is what is our target. Our target will be we will check we'll check this position, because the market will come down to take this position, so that it can move out, so you can take some pips here. So trading has formulas, and there's a lot of things you can learn, and you can try to check that. You can try to check that on your charts, if you really see what I was really talking about. And I hope it will bring something to your trading. To see the Monday market went up and it went down. And where can I spot the entry on Tuesday? And what will I be looking for? I'll be looking for this level, because this is the level that market put some stops here, so the market is going to rally down to around these levels, and I can put my buy entries, and then boom, Thursday, Friday. So you are not going to be winning every single week. No. There are some week you're going to lose, because you need to be really, really knowledgeable. You have to have a lot of confluence before you are taking any trade. Before taking any trade, before getting in, moving into any trade, you have to have confluences. Like what do you really see the things that makes you get into the market and put an order. So you have to have a lot of confluence. And uh, for the people, soon I'm gonna announce a training shooter. I know maybe a lot of you guys are beginners, nothing. So I'm gonna announce training shooter, and we're gonna learn these things together. But I want you to go to your market and try to spot, try to check what I've been saying. It is really something that made me something. And for example, last week I traded two pairs. I traded GBP USD. Last week I traded GBP USD. Also, I traded GBP, JPY, but GBP USD didn't give me what I was really expecting. He gave me really small. It no, it gave me loss last week. GBP USD gave me a loss. It's like I was not big loss, just negative. I think it was negative 10. Yeah, but GBP JPY gave me a lot because I was able to enter when the market came back to make a good retracement in this area, because I didn't enter when it was reversing. I just waited uh, for the point where I can get a good buy entry. So I get an entry last week. You know, I just entered and just closed. I just closed on Friday, and I made some profit through GBP USD. And what am I GBP JPY? I mean, and what am I expecting for the next week for the GBP JPY? I will check. The Monday movement. The Monday movement always shows me, what can really happen. From Tuesday to Friday. So it depend on the Monday movement. The Monday movement will show me, okay, when the Monday movement goes more higher, you know what I'll be waiting for? I'll be waiting for the market to drop down, because I see the momentum is really going up. So I will wait for the market to come down to a point where I can take a trade, which will be around Tuesday and Wednesday. So guys, I hope you're going to learn from this a simple hack that you can really see the entry by just looking at the eyes, by just observing the reversal, which is likely to happen on Tuesday and Wednesday. And why? Because if I know a lot of people have passed through some books. There is this famous book called babypips.com, and it is the first book I learned before trying before learning from advanced books. I started with Baby Pips, and Baby Pips, it shows us, in Tuesday and Wednesday, uh, there's much liquidity in the market. That is the only reason, Tuesday and Wednesday is the days where there's much liquidity in the market. So that is, and as traders, we are in the market because of liquidity. No liquidity, no money, guys. So liquidity is is much higher on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So don't just end here. Don't just be excited. Just go to your charts and uh, try to make a back test. Just try to see, the market from where you started, from the past weeks. Just try to go and see what is really happening around Tuesday. Between Tuesday and Thursday, you will see a reversal, and maybe you can try to develop, something from there. Okay, so soon we're gonna announce the training studio, for beginners. And if you have anything, if you really don't understand anything, from this video, it's free. You can come to my inbox and try to check me out. I speak both languages. I speak Swahili, I speak English. So I'm using English because we are mixed here, and some of them, they really don't know Swahili. But I believe, if you with one thing you need to know, which will you need to know, at least you have to understand English, so that you can understand trading, because trading is not in Swahili. And I know a lot of people maybe are speaking Swahili here, and it's good. You can talk to me in both languages, Swahili, English. It's okay. So you're mostly welcome, and I just wish you a nice weekend. Make this weekend a very productive for you. Learn, back test, try to see, what the market has really been doing, and by putting your time into charts, you're gonna be profitable. Uh, and a lot of things that are coming. So have a great day, and I love you all.